Now let us discuss the symmetric conditions in Fourier series. We have 4 symmetric conditions that can be applied to the periodic signals here. So those are, first symmetry, it is even symmetry. Second one, it is odd symmetry. And third one, it is half wave symmetry. And then fourth one, it is quarter wave symmetry. Observe here, if a signal shows even symmetry, we can take Bn coefficient 0. Whereas if a signal shows odd symmetry, we can take A0 0 and An 0. And if a signal having half wave symmetry, then we can take A0 value 0. And what is quarter wave symmetry means? Actually, this is having two cases. In case 1, if a signal shows even symmetry and half wave symmetry both, then we say that it is showing quarter wave symmetry. Or if a signal is odd symmetric and half wave symmetric both simultaneously, then we can take it is also quarter wave symmetry. So like that, there are two cases for quarter wave symmetry. So observe, some of the coefficients are 0 for these symmetric conditions, and this symmetric condition based on those 3. And we can take some coefficients 0, and at the same time the non-zero coefficients also, it can be defined only for the odd harmonics, and the length of the integration is reduced here. So that the calculation of Fourier series coefficients, if it is taking more length for a particular periodic signal, we can apply these symmetric conditions if it is possible to apply for such signals. So anyways, I will give the first formulas for non-zero Fourier series coefficients here one by one. If it is even symmetry, then the non-zero coefficients are A0 and An. If it is A0, we can calculate directly by using formula 2 by t integral 0 to t by 2 x of t dt. Observe, only half of the time period we are integrating, and then An value we can calculate by using formula 4 by t 0 to t by 2 x of t multiplied by cos n omega naught t dt. Observe, here also we are calculating up to half of the time period only. And then here An value is 0 if n is even. Only odd harmonics are present if a signal shows any of these symmetric conditions. You can observe one point, only even harmonics are, all coefficients are 0, and only odd harmonics we are having non-zero coefficients here. Similarly, for odd symmetry, we are having that A0 0 and An 0. Only Bn coefficient we need to calculate, that too by using formula 4 by t integral 0 to t by 2 x of t multiplied by sin n omega naught t dt. So here also we are integrating only half of the time period, so that Bn value length will be reduced by half, and then this n value is only for odd harmonics. For n value even, Bn we can take it as 0. Similarly, for half wave symmetry, only A0 is 0, and A and Bn values we can calculate by using these two formulas. You can observe, for half wave symmetry, An and Bn, of course both are equal to 0 if n value even. Whereas if n value odd, we can calculate An and Bn values same as these two formulas. Those are 4 by t integral 0 to t by 2 x of t cos n omega naught t dt, and then this one also 4 by t integral 0 to t by 2 x of t sin n omega naught t dt. So this is for half wave symmetry. And then quarter wave symmetry, if you observe, so either even and half wave symmetry or odd and half wave symmetry combination. So that let us consider this quarter wave symmetry first and second case. If it is even and half wave symmetry, So even, already it is even, means Bn coefficient 0, and half wave symmetry means A naught is 0. So A naught and Bn completely 0. So for this case, A naught and Bn completely 0, and An value 0 only for n value even. Fine. So only for n value odd we need to define for quarter wave symmetry. Similarly, this one if you observe, since it is odd symmetry, for odd symmetry we have A naught An both are 0. So this is A naught 0 and An 0, and Bn value also 0 only for n value even. So for this case we need to define Bn value only for odd values. For this case we need to define An value only for odd values. This Bn formula I will give you for quarter wave symmetry here. So first case we need to take only An coefficient, that is 8 by t integral 0 to t by 4 x of t cos n omega naught t dt. Observe here, An value we are taking only integration 0 to t by 4, 1/4 of the waveform, that means one cycle, 1/4 of the cycle only we are considering, means that is why it is quarter wave symmetry, and we are taking 8 by t here. Similarly, for the second case we need to define only Bn value. So for second case, Bn formula again it is 8 by t integral 0 to t by 4 x of t multiplied by sin n omega naught t dt. So here also we are integrating only 1/4 of the cycle of the waveform, so that 8 by t is multiplied here. So we are having sum of the coefficients are 0 if any one of the symmetry condition exists in a given waveform, so that a lot of calculation is reduced here. And further, the non-zero coefficients, all we are calculating only half of the time period or quarter wave of the time period, so that there also we can reduce some of the length of the calculation. So by applying symmetric conditions, we can calculate all Fourier series coefficients within less time. So it is very, very important to remember each and every formula in these symmetric conditions, so that a lot of calculation length is reduced if it is the competitive examination. If it is a discrete type of examination, we must calculate each coefficient clearly. But if it is a competitive examination, a lot of time saving is there by applying all these symmetric conditions. So it is a very, very important task to apply a symmetric condition on a given waveform if it is a competitive examination of multiple choice kind of questions. Fine.